Alright. Dive here into Elite Extra. See if Don Rose is uploading. Oh, Don Rose still uploading. No, not for the fins. All these are getting uploaded right now. Oh, do you? Did she do this wrong? She had to do a listing at the same time. Yeah, you do have the reds. I don't know why Big Sean does here. There you go. I fixed it. Sorry about that. And I spelled it wrong, too. I just put Notius. You're now Notius. Hopefully everything else is right. Jared Sauce is a USA spot. I don't think he's ever had that. Blue auto, 39 of 50, Dietrich Ends for the, yeah, it does. Is that right, Monty? You have the Yankees? Because I have you with the Yankees. Is that right? Okay. Dietrich Ends for the Yankees, actually, going to Nani right there. Jordan Sheffield on card auto, 50 of 100 for the Dodgers, going to Robert B. Base dudes, and a tie-dye of Luis Urias for the Padres out of 25. Going to Big Sean. Shea Wei Hu for the Tampa Bay Rays. That goes to HL Sports Cards. And some sick patches. Matt Olson. 12 of 25. 3-color, 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 3-color. Oakland Athletics going out to Weekend at Bernie's. Kirilov, Vines, and Vines out of 99. That was a Tim Tebow. On-card Cal Quantrill out of 75. Die-cut auto. Going out to Big Sean. On-card auto Cody Sedlock for the Orioles, going to Big Sean. Base Tebow, Carter Kubu. Eric Stout, 79 of 100 autograph for the Royals, Burgerific. And patch auto of Dustin May out of 199 for the Dodgers. Robert B. Yi Ching Chang out of 75. Bat, Jersey Bat. 96 of 99, Dansby Swanson on the Braves here. Going out to C-Man. And Taylor Trammell on-card auto out of 75. Die cut for the Reds. Notorious. And base. Dewell Lugo auto for the Diamondbacks, MOJO Riser. And a cracked ice. College ticket, 14 of 24. Will Craig for the Pirates. Going a weekend at Bernie's. Doing well, bud. Base, slotch, and out of 200. For the Braves, Kyle Muller auto for Seaman. And gold, John Duplantier, 23 of 99 dual patch. Diamondbacks, MOJO Rise. Out of 75, Heath Quinn. Nick Solak on card auto, 76 of 100 for the Yankees. Nani Pink out of 100, Nick Solak on card auto. And cracked ice, Logan Shore. I believe that's Oakland Athletics, which is weekend at Bernie's. Cracked ice out of 24. Jeremy Martinez auto out of 100 for the St. Louis Cardinals. Come on. There it goes. That goes to Lee Cookfan and Jake Fraley patch auto. 48 of 49 for the Rays. HL. And Brandon Waddell out of 99. Jersey patch, Dave Dyer out of 299 for the Rockies. Lee Cookfan. And an on-card auto die cut out of 75, Anthony Greer for the Diamondbacks. Going to MOJO Riser. Triple patch, 10 of 49, Josh Bell for the Pirates. Weekend at Bernie's. And die cut auto for the Tampa Bay Rays, Austin Franklin, 10 of 75. HL Sports Cards. And base. Ooh, cracked ice. Cade Scavicchi, 12 of 24 for the Atlanta Braves. LSU boy. Going to Seaman, cracked ice. And out of 100, Peyton Henry, 7 of 100. For the Brew Crew, Chris, 101. Base, Jace Lines. And Jose Miranda, tied out of 25. Jose Azocar auto for the Detroit Tigers. That is Big Sean. And quad patch. Guthrie Jacob Gorby Berger out of 199. Jared Sox with the USA spot. Jason Groom out of 200. Nick Pareto, season ticket, Team USA, going to Jared Sox. Andrew Knapp auto for the Phillies, going out to Lee Cook fan. And another Matt Olson gold quad patch out of 99 for the Oakland Athletics. Weekend at Bernie's. Tie-dye 10 of 10. Yu Chang Chang for the Indians. Big Sean. J.D. Busfield auto for the Tampa Bay Rays, HL Sports Cards. And a patch auto. K.J. Harrison, camo patch auto out of 99 for Team USA, Jared Sox. Out of 99, Nick Gordon. Nick Longy auto for the Boston Red Sox, going to Jared Sox. And a quad patch for Jared Sox. Young, Harrison, and Cairo out of 99. And base dues. Darren McCollum. Contenders auto for Team USA, going to Jared Sox. And Brian Reynolds. He's either Yankees or he's San Francisco. Giants is Shelby, Yankees is Nani. Gotta check that one. Hoyjun Park is Yankees out of 149. Dual patch. And another 2 of 10. Nash Walters tie-dye for the Brewers. Yeah, he's Giants. That's what I thought. So that is Giants college ticket, Brian Reynolds. Shelby Ray. Trey Mancini auto for the Baltimore Orioles, going out to Big Sean. Patch auto, red, 31 of 49 for the Brewers, Brett Phillips. Chris 101. 99, TJ Friedel. Dual gold patch, 34 of 99, Margot and Thompson for the Padres, Big Sean. And Andrew Yurtsey on card auto, 21 of 50 for the Diamondbacks, Mojo Riser. Nestor Cortez auto for the New York Yankees. For Naughty Pink, Nestor Cortez. On-card auto, German Marquez, 35 out of 75 for the Rockies, going out to the Kook fan. Ace, and out of 75, Dakota Hudson. Zach Tregaton auto for the Tampa Bay Rays, going to AHL Sports Cards. And Team USA for Jared Sox, Alex Fado, Tyler Johnson, Campbell, and Scott out of 199. Out of 75, Will Craig for the Pirates. Cracked Ice, Gabe Briones auto. 19 of 24, season ticket. Team USA, Jared Sox. And an auto of Connor Jones. On card, 38 of 50 for the Cardinals. Le Cook fan. And Jesus Lazardo, dual patch. 22 of 49 for Code Man. And base dudes. Rice Hoskins auto die cut, 37 of 75 for the Phillies. That goes to the Cook fan. And Evan White patch auto for Team USA out of 99, Jared Sox. Out of 99, Zach Gallen. Tyler Glasnow patch out of 149 for the Pirates. Going to weekend at Bernie's. Hoy Jen Park auto for the New York Yankees. Going to Naughty Pink. And Tim Tebow out of 200 for the Mets. Hunter Wood auto, 31 of 75 for the Tampa Bay Rays, HL Sports Cards. And Buddy Reed on card out of 75 auto for the San Diego Padres, Big Sean. Base 75, Zach Tregaton. That wraps up those 5. A lot of cracked ice. Probably most cracked ice I've gotten in one break. Let me see, there was at least 3 or 4.